So these are some of the most beautiful and amazing clubs in Europe and the cheapest price. I'm going to probably the most iconic and my favorite club in Albania and probably in the whole Balkan with incredible price. Enjoy some nightlife in this beautiful town. And yeah, the weather is not very good today in Saranda, but absolutely the perfect time to go and drink something, some alcohol probably, and also enjoy some clubs. So these are some of the most beautiful and amazing clubs in Europe and the cheapest price. So let me show you a little bit more of this club. It's not sponsored, but I really... The main area and cocktail bar, stage for singing, and look at the palms. The views of Saranda are stunning, out of this world. This is the best part in the bay, and where you can look all the bay and the boats that swim. It's absolutely amazing. And today it's not a good weather, it's a bad weather, and still bad weather. The view here is perfect, so calming. If you won't come to daytime, it's so calming, so refreshing, so nice. And if you come to nightlife, and if you come to nighttime, it will be like extraordinary with a lot of music and cocktails to drink. But also I'm going to show you the cocktail that I got. Iconic club right on the beach, beautiful one. Let's go get a glass. A glass right for me. Another reason why I chose this time to come here is because this club is full of music, and the biggest enemy of travel bloggers in YouTube is the copyright and the music that goes copyrights, even if you are not using, but it's in background. So I chose this time to show you my favorite club probably in all Albania. And later we'll go in some other places, but I'm sure that I'm going to mute the real audio because from copyright, you know now. And yeah, that's it. Of what I get, and also I get a gin tonic which was like 600 lek. It was like 600 lek and it was like €5 basically, and it was super cheap for a place like this, and it's not nighttime yet, but the prices are the same as now, as daytime, as nighttime. And let's enjoy some more of this amazing club. This is my favorite club in all of Albania, Orange. It's not sponsored by, but let's leave Orange and go to another club later, probably tomorrow, because the weather is getting rainy now, and yeah, not the best weather. Let's go to toilet first. Dude, this toilet is better than my living room. One of the biggest advantages of Saranda, beside the beautiful beaches and sea, is the nightlife, nightclubs and live music. So you have some of the most amazing and beautiful nightlife that you can find in Mediterranean and in Europe. And the combination of the nightlife and day life, and this makes Saranda one of the most underrated cities in Europe because it's absolutely an amazing city.
So yeah, I can do a statement now. Sometimes I feel euphoric, and I know that when you are in a place that you like, you make a wrong statement. But Saranda, it's really a beautiful one. And the nightlife makes the city perfect for summer vacation.
And yeah, of course, that one of the biggest downsides of this video will be the copyright music. So a lot parts probably will be muted due to that. So sorry for that, guys.
Di sollievo un'edimonia.
Club slide, and it's a little overcrowded actually, but this makes more alive this place. Yeah. If you are talking for nightlife, this part is the hotspot of the club that I were before, the orange, and this is like my favorite in Albania, so I highly spots. And as I told you before, there are a couple of clubs, nightclubs, and not only nightclubs but also even normal clubs that operate live music, beautiful music, and also super nice views. Absolutely beautiful one.
I
But
decided to
it
stay
will be,
in the back of
I
the
need to
club
stop
so
here
I
to
could film a
mute the
little
sound
bit
because it will
easily, and I was hoping the music wasn't that loud and to be free from copyright. But yeah, the problem is that I still had to mute the music and the real sound. So yeah, these are a couple of clubs that are in a row, and in the bay, in Saranda Bay, it makes, and they look like stunning clubs, and they are actually stunning clubs. The prices are super cheap. I mean, these are the best club for the price that they offer, and also the quality of service is really good. The drinks, alcoholic drinks were amazing, and also the prices were amazing. So why not? These are some of the best clubs.
Just was at the nightclub because it's like 10 p.m. now, and it's not like the live music hasn't started because it starts from 12 or 11 p.m. basically. And yeah, just so much fun there, drink something, and yeah, that's the perfect vacation, the combination of the night and summer and the daylight. And yeah, the average price of a cocktail or drinks, alcoholic drinks basically, but you can drink whatever you want. It's like alcoholic drinks and cocktails but the average price is like 6 euros, 6,000 left, which means like 5 euros, 6 euros basically, I don't know exactly. And yeah, so if you don't want to pay, you also can enjoy some free nightclub because you also have free places, free music with I will go to show you right now. So even if you don't want to spend money, you can have fun. Yeah. So yeah, the biggest downside of Saranda and this city is the overcrowdedness. It's super overcrowded, and to do walks or even to go out in the promenade, it's probably impossible in some periods, especially at 9-10 p.m. Me trying to sneak and avoid every music possible, but it's impossible because every club have like its own music, very high and very loud. Also today is organized like a free concert, or I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, with music and singers from Albanian singers. Okay guys, let's get out of that craziness and let's go home now. So I'm going to end this vlog and I know I will suffer a lot when I will edit because I have to do like a million changes and using places from the music, but anyway, I really enjoy this day, and from Saranda, see you in another vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of the family.
So thank you for watching and see you in another vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.